Milan, we hit a lick on your bitch. I'm a good fella, Mason Margiela, my kick. I am false failure, my nigga, I got drip. Action on your bitch, this that Pokemon trainer shit. Who's this?
Nigga, what the fuck was that? Was that your spit or was that something? That's not funny.
And we're already in the heat. We start you in the middle. We're already in here getting hot and wicked. BK.
You already know what we're doing. Fake sneezing on people, spraying on people's neck, dabbing around. We're here to get punched, maybe get some great content and everything. Yeah, let's get it, boys.
Right on the borderline today. Right on the borderline, baby. That's where we like it.
Hey, man. We're in that.
Oh. Huh? What do you mean? Did I hit you? My bad. I've been real sick lately. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I get you?
Yeah, man.
I've been struggling with it. I'm sorry, man. You might want to wash it off. I have a...
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
You got a wash rag?
No, I'm gonna go over there and get some.
Yeah, it's some real nasty shit. I'm sorry, dude.
Did I get you? Huh? Did I get you?
Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of cold.
Sorry, I have the flu and everything, you know. I don't know what it is. It might be contagious. If you forgive me. Oh. All right, sorry. What's your name?
Oh. Oh my God. My nose. Whoa. Huh? Did I get you? All right, guys, those last ones just suck dick, and we don't like to suck dick, so we're just gonna go to another store and not suck dick this time.
Target. Next. We're coming for you, baby.
No more dick sucking. What? Did I get you?
Yeah, you did.
Oh shit! I've had bad allergies for like a week now.
Man, fuck you spit on me for.
I may be able to get.
I'm gonna call the police on your ass.
No, I have a dish rag maybe you could use.
Fuck you do.
I can't control it. It comes out of nowhere.
Yeah, right.
No, I'm sorry, sir. It's just a water bottle.
Man, what the fuck you do that for?
I was just having fun today, you know.
No, ain't no. Don't ever do that again.
Oh, come on, man.
Fuck you.
I have allergies.
Man, get the fuck away. He acts like he sneezes and has a fucking water bottle.
Old classic one. I love you guys. You guys are fine gentlemen.
Petru.
Motherfucker!
What happened?
Just fucking sneeze on me? You fucking dumb motherfucking asshole!
My bad.
What the fuck's wrong with you?
It was an accident. You know,
Bullshit!
Can you speak on this ear?
Fuck you!
I'm deaf in one ear.
Get the fuck out of here!
Can you speak up? I'm sorry. What?
Motherfucker, get the fuck away from me!
I said I'm sorry, man.
Fucking dick!
I am what I eat.
Did you see him?
I am what I eat. Look.
I just heard it.
Jesus fucking Christ! Stupid ass! Jesus fucking Christ! The person sneezes on someone's neck.
Oh, fuck. Did I get on you? My bad. Hey, I got like some kind of sickness. I'm sorry about that. You know, the allergies right here.
That's fine, man.
You know, you got like pants like John Cena back in like 2009.
Is that right?
Yeah, I like those pants.
Nice.
Don't ever do that again.
What?
Am I clear? What you just did, you know what you just did. It's not funny.
I have allergies.
No, you don't.
I do. My cat.
No, you don't.
I do.
Do I need to say it again?
That's my bad, sir. I mean it.
Don't ever do that.
I'm hard of hearing, so it would help.
Don't play me.
Got you. I'm not really good at Mario Kart, so I don't play much games.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Do you really want to play that game with me? Because I will gladly step outside with you.
Oh, no. I like it inside. It's cold. I apologize, though. I have allergies 100%. It's on me.
I know it wasn't your sneeze. I know you have a little spray bottle.
I apologize again. It was just an accident.
Let's see, like, that's what they're...
And if you're with him, you need to knock it off.
I don't really care, man. I'm sorry about that. Let's go. We're out. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Did I get you?
What the fuck was that?
Did I get you?
What the fuck was that? If that was a joke to my nigga, that's not fucking funny.
No, I have allergies in it.
Nigga, what the fuck was that? Was that your spit or was that something? That's not funny.
No,
I don't find that funny. It's a whole pandemic going on right now. I don't find that shit funny.
I just have
Back the
allergies.
fuck away from me real quick.
You got
Back
to
the
me.
fuck out of you with this tablet.
You walk up to
Back
me.
the fuck up.
You walk
I don't
up to
find
me.
that shit fucking funny.
Allergies.
I don't give a fuck.
Cats.
I don't give a fuck. Back the fuck up.
Cats.
We gotta go. The dude's really pissed.
It's just a water bottle.
No, yeah, we're.
It's not funny, my
I know, I understand.
You thought
I
that's
understand.
funny?
No, I understand. We're leaving. We're leaving.
Hey,
Yeah, we're leaving. Yeah, we're leaving right now.
I don't care if it's water. But you don't do it. Will you please stop recording?
Yeah, sorry about that.
All right, thank you.
Well, I just need you not to be in the store.
We won't come back. I understand.
All right, guys, you know how true we are to ourselves, and that last store was bullshit. They set us up for failure. It's not gonna happen again, though. Not on our watch, at least. I don't know where we're going with this. You know, it's gonna end up somewhere spectacular. I see something over here, so let's go. You can't steal this bike.
What?
You can't steal this bike.
This is my bike.
Oh, this is your bike.
These are my keys.
Oh, okay. Well, there's no, like, ignition on the bike, so I don't know what that does. You actually can't be out here smoking any marijuana.
I'm not.
I got some calls about a scent that was... I work for Barnes & Noble, obviously.
I work for Barnes & Noble.
So you were smoking weed while you were on duty, or
I'm sorry, what?
you were smoking weed on duty, or
No.
you obviously have met me before, Daniel.
No. I don't know what's going on here.
Is the pot like? Just give it up, man. It's okay.
I don't have any.
You can't be man to man. You can't be doing it out here. I get it, man. You know what I
Are
mean?
you messing with me?
I'm not messing with you, dude. No, like this shit happened.
No, I'm not. I don't know what's
How long
going
have you worked here?
on. 7 years.
Is your first time smoking pot while you're after work, on work? I don't know. Did you do it on shift?
What is going on here?
I'm just making sure you're doing you're okay. I mean, can I check you real quick? Yeah.
No.
You don't have any pot on you.
No.
I'm gonna have to ask you to leave, honestly.
What is going on?
I'm gonna have to ask you just to get it, because I don't know if it's from you, but you're the only one in the area. You're gonna have to leave.
Do you want to sit here? I don't know what's going on.
No, it smells like marijuana, and you're the only one in the area, so you're gonna have to, until I figure out what the problem is, at least.
You don't work for Barnes & Noble.
I'm security, I do.
We don't have security.
I'm just messing with you, I'm sorry, I can't.
You were freaking me out, man.
Yo, these books are banging, boys. We're gonna light a couple on fire. You wanna come?
If by on fire you mean reading them.
No, it's like Fahrenheit 451. Remember?
Yeah, sure. Not into book burning.
We're gonna record it and everything. It's for my class.
Okay.
You wanna come?
No.
Oh, shit.
I'm more the old lady who saves all the books.
Oh, you saved the books?
Yeah.
Check this book out yet?
I don't know anything about
You check this one out? Go fuck to sleep.
Sorry?
No.
I tell you what.
Interesting read, this one is.
Okay.
Go the fuck to sleep. I give it to your children. So I'd gotten something here maybe a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I don't have the receipt, but would a return be possible? Or?
They use your phone number?
Yeah.
So you can, yeah, it doesn't matter where I did it.
Because I'd gotten this for my steering wheel, and it wasn't connecting the right way, and I guess it wasn't being used the right way. And you can see it's got a little bit of like grease on it already from the car.
Oh, okay.
I'd just be able to like maybe like get half off.
Hey.
I know I don't have the box or the receipt.
Okay.
I don't have a box or receipt, but like I just was hoping to get like maybe like half off, 25% of what I paid for.
What?
Well, I'd gotten this for my steering wheel, and it's not working the way I expected it to, and honestly, it's feeling rough as shit. So I want to return it for maybe 50%, 25%, whatever you guys can do. I don't have the box or the receipt, but good condition as you can see. Veins intact.
What? You serious?
Yeah, well, you guys got a bunch in the back, I'm sure. I mean, maybe they're sold out, but can I just get a
We
refund?
got rid of all the dicks.
So I can refund for this one? Obviously, you need some dicks.
I literally don't know what just happened.
I'm running short on money, so like it would help out a lot. It connected the first couple times, and then I had a problem with it after that.
Are you being punked?
I don't think so. Am I being punked? You guys fucked me up and sold me a dick.
Wait,
Who
what?
sold you a dick, though?
I came to this O'Reilly's and someone sold me this fucking dick. You sell it to me? Are you fucking with me?
Nah, I ain't
You over here
saying
laughing.
that.
I can tell it's you.
We're laughing because of
What the hell is going on?
what is it supposed to do?
I don't know. It was like you put on your windshield wiper and it goes woo 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 woo.
Wait a minute. Where did you buy it from?
I came to
Who did
this
it?
O'Reilly's and you guys sold me a dick.
Who did? What did they look like?
It was a guy. He had a beard. Looked like a real trustworthy fellow.
He left.
Are you being serious right now?
I'm 100% honest, and you guys are fucking with me, and you sold me a penis.
No, we're not fucking with you. We feel like you're fucking with us.
We're on YouTube.
I ain't happy until I saw his phone.
You think you sell penises here?
That was fucking.
I absolutely like fucking railed absolute one last night. Like, her pussy smelled like straight shit. Dude, she had shit stains all over her underwear. Absolute shit. Yeah, it was disgusting. I honestly think I have like chlamydia or something, bro. Her pussy stink like shit, but it smells like the fish I'm at right now. But listen though, she had shit stains all over her underwear. What kind of crab do you want? I'm getting PTSD right now.
We seen it all. Niggas was getting tased. Bitches just popping pussy by the front door. Niggas was throwing chairs and everything.
Jump out at the show. Jump out at the show. Had to turn my flow, yeah. Had to change the tone. Had to turn my diamonds, yeah. They smacking head to toe. About what you saying, yeah. Just shut up and let me go. Riding in that beam, let her talk the truth. Bro, I rode these bust down watches on me. I got my blinky. All we do is to go.
Looking like the motherfucking Joker through the smoke.
Riding in the game, little bitch, I'm much ready to see me for the sun. I'm good about just saying I don't.
Oh, what the hell?
I don't talk to red. He gon' talk to Fitz. He gon' talk to Schmitz. He gon' talk to the lid. I'm good for what you saying. You already heard what I said. You got big white dogs on.
We're finishing the video on my birthday. Didn't get a chance to be in the last time when we introduced the shop, but
Stop by, it's AKs and BKs. Alex, your favorite people here. Big discounts. Play some pool. Show them the pool table. It's a little mess. We will play some pool soon.
AK is good. Are you good?
Oh, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm professional, but like, I play good.
I have a tournament.
Whenever it's clean.
What are you doing?
You know BK?
You know BK? This guy.
You need him.
You guys torturing him.
We're having fun with them. 500 likes. We drink this in one gulp. BK does it first, and I go second. But here we go. Happy 23rd year. Nick Jordan. Hope you guys enjoyed that video.
Now full of burger seasick. Never knew you told me I won't be shit. Try to run up on me, see my defense. Got them fully loaded choppers, pop my beef stage. Inferno soul, shawty, yeah, she decent.